Hengli started with pneumatic cylinders, but our claim to fame is certainly hydraulic cylinders. We're the world leader. We also manufacture the piston products, but cylinders are number one core competence that we're the world leader. And now in Pune, India is where we'll be probably start of 2021. So I manage all of the mobile market, like all construction. It's been established for many years. The piston products are used all over the place. We followed in a sense, but we also manufacture to a better, higher quality. We're here all the time. We're never following people. We're at the top level. Especially with vendor managed inventory all over the United States, and it's critical. We had to ship as many things to the United States right away as we could, and that's our local warehouse. Localization is key for us. We would not survive if we didn't have the localization. 90% of our customers are buying direct. We ship directly to them. Most of our customers as well, the bigger customers, they buy every day, right? They don't want to stock any product, so every single day they'll have a local warehouse that we can ship their needs. We have about 5 million square foot roughly in Changzhou, and we're looking to start smaller, maybe 250 or 300,000 square foot in India. I see that expanding. It's only going to be cylinders to start, but then pump, motor, valve will come. We rule the excavator market. So in India, that's why makes total sense why we're in India, because most of the excavators are now moving from China to India. We will do what we have to do in the right regions. I'll say this, we're an aggressive company, we're a growing company. It doesn't matter the country, it doesn't matter the product. If it's got hydraulics, we're probably gonna be there.